Hi friends, today we start the new chapter of section first. The name of that chapter is here matrix representation of groups. Matrix representation of groups. Here in matrix representation of group it is related to mathematical part. Okay, matrix means what? Matrix, it is the rectangular array. Matrix is rectangular array of number or symbol, that is called as a matrix. Matrix means what? Matrix, it is the rectangular array of a number or a symbol. Okay, then we see the different types of matrix. The first type of matrix is rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. In matrix, rows are present and columns are also present. See here, 1, 2, 3, again 3, 4, 5. These are the numbers which are present in matrix. Here arrow, here rows and columns are present. This is called as a columns and this is called as a rows. Okay, this is first row, second row. This is first column, second column, third column. Okay, then see here, rows and columns. So here how many rows are present? Here 1 and 2 rows are present. And how many columns are present? 3 columns are present. Okay, then number of rows is not equal to number of column. Number of rows is not equal to number of columns in rectangular matrix. Okay, then we see the second type of matrix is row matrix. Row matrix. In row matrix, see here 1, 2, 6, 3, 4. Here rows is present. See here how many rows are present? Only one row is present. The formula is rows into column. So here how many rows are present? One row is present. And how many columns are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5. Okay, vertical is called as a column and horizontal is called as a rows, number of rows. So here 1 into 5. Okay, then we see the next type of matrix is column matrix. Column matrix. In column matrix, see here example 3, 2. That means see here how many number of rows are present? This is first and this is second. That means rows into column. How many rows are present? 2 rows are present. And how many columns are present? 1 column is present. So 2 into 1. Then next type of matrix is zero matrix. That zero matrix is also called as a null matrix. Null matrix. This is the other name of zero matrix. Null matrix. See here, all the vertices are 0. When all the vertices of matrix are 0, that matrix is called as a zero matrix or null matrix. See here, how many rows are present? 1, 2 and 3. 3. How many columns are present? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 into 3. In this matrix, every vertices is null. That means every vertices is 0. The next type of matrix is square matrix. Square matrix. In square matrix, all the vertices are greater than 0. All vertices are greater than 0. Greater than 0. That matrix is called as a square matrix. See here example 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 6, 7, 3. Okay, this is the matrix. How many rows are present? 1 2 3 3. How many columns are present? 1 2 3 3 columns are present. See here, why that matrix is called a square matrix? Because all the vertices are greater than 0. See here, all the vertices which are all greater than 0, so that matrix is called as a square matrix. Then we see the next type of matrix is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, see here, that means all the vertices, not all the diagonal vertices are not 0. See here the example 1 0 0 0 3 4 and 0 0 4. This is the diagonal matrix. Why that matrix is called as a diagonal? See here, these are the diagonal elements. These are not 0. Here 0 is there, not a 4. All the remaining vertices are 0 and the diagonal vertices are non-zero. That means greater than 0. That matrix is called as a diagonal matrix. Okay. Then we see the next type of matrix is unit matrix. Unit matrix. See here the example 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Why that matrix is called as a unit matrix? See here, unit matrix means when diagonal element is 1 and other elements are 0 in the matrix is called as unit matrix. It's called as unit matrix. That means here when the diagonal elements is 1, see here, this is called as a diagonal element. These are the diagonal elements. These diagonal elements is 1 and the other elements or other vertices are 0 in the matrix. That matrix is called as a unit matrix. And in the overall calculation of symmetry, you have to consider this matrix here. Then again next type of matrix is, see, square matrix. What is the definition of square matrix? We already see the square matrix. But the definition of square matrix is when the number of rows and number of columns are same. When number of rows and number of columns are same, that matrix is called as a square matrix. That matrix is called as square matrix. See here the example 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, so how many number of rows are there? 3. And how many number of columns are present? 3. Okay, again next example, see here 2 1 5 7. How many rows are there? 2. And how many columns are there? 1 2. That means here the number of rows and number of columns are same, so that type of matrix is called as a square matrix. This is all about the different matrix, different types of matrix. Okay, now we see the symmetry operations, how we perform the different symmetry operations on any matrix. See here, matrix representation of symmetry elements. Symmetry elements. How we perform the symmetry operations on matrix? See here, identity. Okay, so here x1, y1 and z1 is there. You have to consider here the matrix, but that matrix is, you have to consider this type of matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is the unit matrix. You have to consider the unit matrix in all calculation. So here, okay, when you perform sigma xy, okay, sigma xy is the horizontal plane. Okay, so here this is x, this is y, and this is z. Okay, sigma xy म्हणजे काय, हा x, हा y, हा z. this is x, this is y, this is z. so z तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, निगेटिव्ह करायचं आहे. रिमेनिंग जे असेल सेम लिहायचं, 0 1 0 0 0 -1. ओके, दिस इज x, दिस इज y, अँड दिस इज z. XY विचारलाय, XY सोडून जो काही उरलेला असतो तो निगेटिव्ह करायचा. ओके, आता इथे XY आहे तर XY ॲज इट इज राहू द्यायचा. उरला काय तुमचा Z ला निगेटिव्ह द्यायचा. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ प्लेन आहे सिग्मा YZ. ओके, आता सिग्मा YZ ला काय करणार, 0 1 0 0 0 1. आता x, y आणि z. आता इथे y आणि z दिलेला आहे. दिस इज x, y आणि z. मग y आणि z ॲज इट इज राहू द्यायचा. उरला काय तुमचा x, सो 1 ला इथे मायनस करायचं. ओके, हे व्हर्टिकल प्लेन असतात. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ प्लेन इज सिग्मा XZ. सिग्मा XZ ला 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. x y z. इथे x z म्हटलंय, मग उरलेला y तुमचा निगेटिव्ह करायचा. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर नेक्स्ट सिमेट्री ऑपरेशन C2x. आता C2x कसं परफॉर्म करणार, तुम्ही नॉर्मल युनिट मॅट्रिक्स लिहायचा, 0 0 1. आता x विचारलाय, उरला काय तुमचा y आणि z. इथे x y z. उरला काय तुमचा, इथे x आहे, सो उरलेले y आणि z निगेटिव्ह करायचे. ओके, आता C2y काय आहे, इथे y विचारलाय, 1 0 0 0 -1 0. सॉरी, इथे फक्त 1 लिहा, 0 0 -1. इथे y विचारलाय, मग x आणि z काय लिहायचा, निगेटिव्ह लिहायचा. x निगेटिव्ह, y तुमचा ॲज इट इज, उरलेला z निगेटिव्ह. ओके, नेक्स्ट C2z काय लिहिणार, पुन्हा तुम्ही नॉर्मल युनिट मॅट्रिक्स लिहा, 0 1 0 0 0 1. युनिट मॅट्रिक्स नॉर्मल लिहायचं. इथे C2z म्हटलंय म्हणजे x आणि y तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, निगेटिव्ह करायचं आहे. These are the symmetry operations which are performed on unit matrices. Now we stop here.